So if you're trying to join public server, or if you're trying to search for public servers from your Discord mobile app, this tutorial River will guide you how you can do it. So open your Discord app, and as you can see, here is no option to search public server. If I tap on this plus icon, we can create our own server from here, but here is no option to search for public server. But you can tap on join a server. In this case, you must put the public server link to join the server. So from this app, here is no option to join or search for public server. So we have to open our browser. So open browser and type Discord login, and here you will get this link, discordapp.com. So you have to open this link, and now enter here your Discord account credential to login. Once you logged in, tap on this 3-line icon at the top left, and here you will get the explore option. So tap on it. Now you can search for any public group here. Now simply select the server you want to join. So this was the only one method to join public Discord server from mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.